Hello everyone, today I want to pick this ABUS Plus 8850. It is a disc-detainer core. Here's the key. It's an older model, doesn't have butterfly disc in the front. And you can get it. I already removed the screw which is down here usually, and two ball bearings. You can see them over there. I put them in the tray. The ball bearings block this ring from moving usually, and once I pick it I will unscrew it and then I can remove all the discs. But first let's pick it. Turn all discs clockwise as far as they go, and then take the nice Sparrows disc-detainer pick up first disc and get picking. Let's just get discs in any gate first. At this status it's super hard to distinguish if it's a false or a true gate. So just put them in any gate and hope that the discs below are also binding after. So now I'm struggling that the discs here are not really binding. Maybe with increased tension. Maybe it's here. Yeah, feels good. Maybe here. Let's go up again. Now it's a false gate. Maybe a true gate. Once so many discs are in any gate, it becomes so much clearer what's a true and what's a false gate is. Feels good. Now feels better here. Just releasing tension to get it out of the false gate. Now feels better here. Yep. And we got this open. Nice. So now I can unscrew it because I already removed the screw in the shackle. Put the bigger parts in here, and then I have this cutting board prepared for all the discs because I don't have anything fitting for the gutting yet of discs. So just some sort of spring that pushes the pin stick together. And the first disc is for drill protection. And now the real discs come. So nothing fancy in here. That's just the attenuator, and you see the slot for the sidebar. It's always on the other side of the drain hole. Here's the slide bar. It's still sunken in because all the discs are aligned. And yeah, let's put them out. Yeah, I have to align them later. I think this one already flipped. The spacers are all the same. Maybe you can get out the sidebar now. Yep. Put it here. Okay, that are all the discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 discs. And let's arrange them. I think that should be like this. I think that's also a 0 cut because they cut tension off the first disc. Right here, and then I can show you a close-up of the discs. Maybe, yeah. I think the last one actually is like some sort of butterfly disc, but I think modern butterfly discs, they don't have the same limiter as a normal disc. Yeah. You see the limiter. With limiter I mean this outer stopper here. This stops the disc from moving inside the core. And I think modern butterfly discs have this smaller so they can rotate more. I think this is like almost a 0 cut or something. I don't know. I guess I didn't need to touch it that much, right? Well, that's all for now. Bye.